Alright, today we're changing the rear wheel bearing on a 2005 Honda Civic. What happened is my daughter spun the car out and it hit the curb with the rear wheel, just a little, like pretty much flat, but after that the wheel bearing was making a lot of noise, like very loud in the car, and like boom, 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 like that. So today we're going to replace the rear wheel bearing. I got the parts from AutoZone and I'm using Moog. Seems like a better brand than a no-name brand, so we're going with that. You can see the link where I bought the parts in the description. Hit the little down arrow if you're on mobile, and you can click right on there. It'll take you right to AutoZone and you can purchase the part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's like, it takes like less than 30 minutes, so enjoy. That was easy. Whole thing came off. There, I can see how much play is in there. Oh. Yeah, that's junk. Alright, so here's the new one. This is from AutoZone. Part number 512174, Moog. New nut. This is a Dorman 615091-1 axle spindle nut. It's called axle spindle nut. Make sure this is the same. It's the old one. Well, the old one looks a little different. Huh. I'll reuse the old one maybe. This one looks like it would need a washer. I'll reuse this one. Should be okay to reuse. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Here's the new one. The Moog. See, it has a little bit of play in here, but it's not. Definitely nothing in the back though. There's no play whatsoever in there. Very tight. Is this still recording? Alright, this has a super tight clearance, so you gotta be real careful putting it on. Got it on there now. See? All good. Because if I put this one on, I don't think that's gonna work. I have no washer, so I have to do this one here. Then, supposed to tighten it to 134 foot-pounds. So I get my torque wrench. Alright, that's it. And that is the end of this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to Cars and Coding, and like and subscribe. Watch my other videos on how to fix a 2005 Honda Civic. Bye.